Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to unbox my newly purchased Logitech C925e Webcam. Because I know guys that a lot of us now are already preparing for online classes, online teaching, online work from home situations. So this might be one of your options for a better quality video and audio. So we're going to check its quality, its performance. Join me as I unbox and review this item. Okay, so we have here the Logitech C925e, and it shows here that it is compatible with Windows 10, Windows 8.1, Windows 7, Mac OS 10.10 or higher. So we have opened the box, and let's now see what are the things inside. Okay, we can see that we have here the setup guide. It's written in English. There is also something here written in Chinese. And what else? Okay, of course we have here the warranty information and safety guide, written also in multiple languages. And I guess we have here the cord. Okay, so guys, it shows that we only have here the papers and the camera itself with the cord, which you will use to plug in the device to your laptop or your computer. And here we have the camera, the video cam. What's the nice thing here is I can manually cover or uncover the lens. It is also tripod ready. You guys are seeing now the camera, the webcam. It's the one, it's already installed in my laptop. And to install it, you just have to clip it there on the screen. I also downloaded this application from Logitech. This is the camera control. It's not required to download this application. It's optional. I just downloaded it so that I can easily control the brightness, contrast, and other settings of the Logitech camera. So you will see here that you have an option to increase or decrease the brightness. Right now it's on 50%. That's the natural or the default setting of this camera, but you can also increase it if you think that it's not bright enough for you. You can also decrease it. It depends on you. If you are in a dark room, you can increase it. If you are in a bright room already, then you can put it on 50%, or you can even decrease it depending on your taste. And then you can also manipulate the contrast if you want to appear like this, or I prefer it to be on 50%. And then you can set the autofocus so that you won't get blurred. The camera will automatically search for your face. And the color intensity, the saturation, you have also an option to increase or decrease it. But as for me, I'll put it on 50%. That's kind of enough for me. And you can also put on automatic, the white balance, or you can set it up manually like this. Oh wow, I like to set it up like this, but right now we'll put it on auto. Okay, bahala na si camera dyan. You will also notice that if we're going to compare, I don't know if I don't know if it is clear here in this video using my cell phone. filming the performance of this webcam. I don't know if it's clear, but in person it's really clear. The webcam captures the image very clearly, compared with the HD camera set up on my laptop. It's not pixelized. It's really high quality. I can see my pimples, my blackheads here very clearly. It may not be a good thing for me because I want it not not shown on screen, but you know, it just shows that this camera is really superb in performance. So you got it, guys. As for me, this is a double thumbs up. This is really a great buy. It's a good buy. I have a search online and it shows it that, so it says here it ranges from 3,599 to 10,283. But if you're going to buy this product, if you really want to have a quality video on your Zoom meetings, for your online teaching, you want your students to clearly see you, then I highly recommend that you buy this webcam. That's it for this video. I hope this review helped you, and if it did, please hit that like button and then subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Goodbye.